How can you make the apps full screen on your Android? Let me explain the whole thing. If you are new here on Foxtecc, subscribe so you don't miss videos like this one. So in my earlier videos, I showed you how you can basically make the windows of apps smaller and then not take up the whole screen. So right now, if I open up any application and go to the multitasking panel, I can tap on the icon and click the open in pop-up view, right? And right now I have an app on my home screen which is not in the full screen format. I can resize it, but if I want to return back to the full screen mode, all I have to do is to tap on the handle at the top, right? When I click on handle, I'm going to have the ability to either close it or expand it with the outward pointing arrows, and this is going to make it come back to the full screen mode. And this is how you can basically make the apps full screen again, if that is the thing which you had in mind. By the way, if you are interested in a way to have this like multitasking mode on your phone, I'm going to link the original tutorial below so you can check that one as well and see and follow these steps to make that work. But you can see that this is one of the things which you might have in mind. Outside of that, if I grab my Galaxy Fold, it's a bit of an older model, but still, if I open up one app in the closed mode and then open up the device, then you can see that the app will probably not take up the full screen. So I have to kind of like reset it, restart it again. And this is how I can make the app go to the full screen again. But this is for this specific scenario of starting an app in the closed screen of my Galaxy Fold and then opening up the device. Then you can see that it kind of like is an interesting thing in a very specific scenario. But that's another way to make the apps full screen if they were not for some reason full screen before. So in case I mentioned the thing which you had in mind, then let me know about it or just hit the thumbs up if you liked the video. But if I didn't mention the thing you had in mind, then let me know about that below in the comments and I can make an updated video about it in the future. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you later in the future videos as well.